Myntri nak kaseng BJP uba Alexander lalu hek haga sengi baar ula Pyntip bala kemi lenti ba Myntri rang ba ke Jylla Meghalaya u konrad ke sangma un sekot pelong ia ke Jinglang jong ke dekot ke senrop MDA ke baar haga ni ke tayo ban sawan ban Ïamir Jingmut Halor kom tungkam lengba ke roster system bat kiwe kiman abakran chikenong patai kubor u hek ula ong ba ula Ïakynduh markhmat yu Myntri rang ba hanin ke sengi ban yakran Halor ke ni ke pang unia Myntri ula ong ba ya ke ni ke roster system de ban pentrekam da ke ban kre na ke benta ke lawai hagajuk ke popat u kli nong elam jong ke seng United Democratic Party u ba met ba lingdo menta ke sengi ula ong ba ula Ïakynduh ya Myntri rang ba ke Jylla konrad ki sangma ban ya tai sani Halor kimat ki bedai bat ke bha tungkam tungjam apo ke Jylla bat kumjuk ru Halor ke roster system bat ula banjur ru badai ban pelong ya ke jinga kren daga pensyong nong rem kam tam Halor ke bha ke miat jong barok ke jaj ben riau hak ni ke Jylla ula ong ru ba Myntri rang ba ula kular ba un sepet benia Halor ke ni ke man.
Yesterday only I have discussed with the Honorable CM. He said that immediately by this coming week he will call the MDA meeting to discuss on the roster and other things also which is required for the MDA 2 government. Should be perspective. Should be perspective. That is my personal opinion.
This is a very, very sensitive and very delicate, issue. That's why we need a very, very detailed discussion with those who are the stakeholders in the government, and where we will place our points and give our suggestions accordingly.